All right, so I'm gonna harvest this bag of potatoes right now. I already harvested 2 bags yesterday. Decent results, not as much as I thought. But today I'm just gonna dump everything into the wheelbarrow, pull the potatoes out, and then I'll sift the dirt after. All right, I think it'll be easier to pick the taters out from up top. Because from what I learned, the last 2 bags, probably 80% of the potatoes are going to be at the bottom. So just peeling the dirt back. I don't feel anything yet. All right, there's one. There's our first spud. You get a spud bucket. Okay, 1 spud in the bucket. All right, I feel some over here. Another little guy. These purple ones, I noticed, they don't get very big. Yeah, that's probably like the biggest purple one you'll be able to get. But hey, a bunch of potatoes this size will still make whatever you need. Oh, I see another one. It's kind of like an Easter egg hunt. Oh, there's another one. In the bucket. And I sift this dirt after, and I'll reuse it for like maybe some flowers or something. Try not to reuse dirt 2 years in a row that I farm with. There's one. There's another one. Yeah, they're real small. One year, they were all like half of this size, and I didn't get any big ones at all. It was not a good year for taters that year. Oh, there's another one. These small ones can be kind of squishy, but maybe I'll save this one to grow with. Oh, I feel a good one. Yep, nice. Cool. Got another one. Feel something in there. All right. So like I said, we're doing this backwards. Normally I just pull the plants out and all the tubers will be attached to the plant, but I didn't want you guys to have to watch me sift dirt, so I figured that's probably not too entertaining. All right, small ones. Hey, like I said, they all add up. And then too, if you want to replant, you can use some of the undesirables. Well, actually, no, you want to use the good ones, and you want to eat the undesirables. I always get that backwards. These ones are too smushy. So those ones are close to the top. Oh man, another smushy one. Probably too much water, and they're close to the top. So otherwise, I've never really seen that. All right, so this one's done. That one's done. That one's done. I think there was 6 or 7. Yep, I knew there was more. All right, so that one's not hard. So just the ones that were too close to the top are a little hard. Okay. Oh, there's a spud. There's a spud. There's a spud. there's a spud. Oh, yes. Yeah, these ones at the top are a little smushy, but I'll use those right away. They will not get wasted. No more spuds. And no more spuds. I'm just gonna sift through. Yep, see? It's a good size one too. Just gonna finish sifting through this. Yep, another one. Whenever I plant these in the ground, you can never always get them all. You always forget one or a piece of one or whatever. And then the next year you're like, I don't remember planting any potatoes in there. You remember, oh yeah. Never fully get them because they grow off the roots. So even if you leave a piece of root, it can grow back the next year. All right. That's it. I don't feel anything else. All right, so like I said, I'll sift this dirt and reuse it. So thank you for joining me on bag number 3 of my potato harvest. Purple potatoes. So that means there's Yukon Gold left and more purple potatoes. I've got 3 buckets of purple so far. All right, thanks for joining me.